Options involve risk and are not suitable for all investors. Options investors may lose the entire amount of their investment in a relatively short period of time.
Hello, today we're going to talk about common option trading mistakes that beginning option traders make. Another common mistake that beginning option traders make is not having a defined plan before someone gets into the trade. So if I look at option trading, when you're trading both stocks and options, it's critical to control your emotion. And that's what this plan is supposed to accomplish. So having a plan and working your plan is critical. Because of the leverage factor in options, you have to act fast. If you've ever said to yourself after placing a trade, well, I'm just going to give it one more day, you're basically are guilty of not sticking with your plan. A friend of mine that is also an option trading mentor always says to me that I'd rather teach option trading to a fifth grader than to an adult. Why is that? Well, if you tell a fifth grader to do something, they'll usually do it. You talk to an adult, specifically in the stock market, they always say, well, the Fibonacci might have bounced off the Bollinger Band. I just figured one more day, it would probably end up coming back. Bottom line is, if you have a plan, you need to stick to it. It's a lot better sometimes to take a small loss than stick around and take a big loss. I like to say when I'm trading, some of my best trades are trades where I stuck to the plan and I got a small loss just before the market went against me hard. So it's quite simple. How can we trade smarter? Well, before you get into a trade, you want to know, okay, where is the downside risk? Where is the upside risk? When am I willing to get out on the downside, and when do I want to get out on the upside? And once you have that plan in place, it's very critical that you stick to it. This is a very common mistake, specifically with option traders, because when you come from the stock market, you can just buy a stock and a lot of people will just hold it forever, and that's a common strategy. But in the options world, there's a time factor. So it's more critical in the options world to have a plan than it could ever be in the stock trading world. So, simple request, once you put on the plan, stick with it. Well, that's it for today. I look forward to your questions and comments. In the meantime, may all the options you bought finish in the money and all the ones you sold finish out.